Why do 80% of vegans swear by quinoa? Because it's the ultimate superfood for a colorful and delicious salad. First, rinse your quinoa like it's had a rough day. Cook it up with a pinch of salt and let it cool. Now, grab a rainbow of veggies, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions. Dice them up nice and small. We're going for maximum crunch here. Add a can of chickpeas, because who doesn't love those little protein-packed gems? Mix everything in a big bowl and get ready for the best part, the dressing. Think zesty lemon juice, a drizzle of olive oil, a dash of maple syrup, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Toss it all together and boom! You've got yourself a quinoa salad that's as tasty as it is colorful. Enjoy your vibrant, nutritious, and oh-so-easy vegan quinoa salad. Perfect for meal prep or a quick lunch fix. Happy munching!